10, 11, 12 doing the same thing, but this time it's going to be multivariate, so you're going to have more than one variable. So number 10, again, thinking about it the long way of using my distributive property, I'm going to take this times this first. So 3y to the 6th z to the 3rd times negative 8yz squared. 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. I add my exponents, so y to the 6th times y would be y to the 7th, z to the 3rd times z squared, z to the 5th. And then I'm going to multiply those two terms together, so 9y to the 4th times negative 8yz squared. A negative 9 times a negative 8 is a positive 72. Y to the 4th times y is y to the 5th. And even though that doesn't have a z, this has a z squared, so I'm still going to have the z squared on the end. So negative 24 y to the 7th z to the 5th plus 72 y to the 5th z squared. Number 11 then, using my distributive property, I'm going to multiply this part out first. Negative 3 times a positive 5, negative 15. B to the 6th times b to the 3rd, I add my exponents, so b to the 9th, and then I have a c here, no extra c's there, so I still have that c. So negative 15 b to the 9th c is my first term. Then my middle term, negative 3 b to the 6th c times positive 2 b to the 4th c to the 5th. So negative 3 times a positive 2 is negative 6. B to the 6th times b to the 4th. I add my exponents, b to the 10th, and then a c times a c to the 5th. Again, 1 plus 5 gives me 6. So my middle term, negative 6, b to the 10th, c to the 6th. And then my third term, I have negative 3 times negative 8, positive 24. I have a b to the 6th, no extra b's, so I still have b to the 6th. And then I have a c times a c to the 5th. I add those together, so c to the 6th. So I get a great big long answer. Negative 15 b to the 9th c minus 6 b to the 10th c to the 6th plus 24 b to the 6th c to the 6th. And number 12, using my distributive property again. 3ac to the 6th times 9c squared. 3 times 9 is 27. I have an a, and then c to the 6th times c squared, c to the 8th. 3ac to the 6th times 7a to the 4th. 3 times 7 is a positive 21. A times a to the 4th is a to the 5th. C to the 6th with no extra c's, still c to the 6th. My a sort of looked like an a. And then 3ac to the 6th times negative 8. 3 times negative 8 would be minus 24, but I still have the ac to the 6th. So 27ac to the 8th plus 21a to the 5th, c to the 6th, minus 24ac to the 6th.